Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of Vivo Y20G smartphone. So you can say this is the latest smartphone by Vivo, and if we talk about its internal storage, it comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, and only one internal storage variant is available in this phone. Okay, so now quickly open it up. Okay, so in top we get this box, and inside it here is the SIM ejector pin, and here we get some reading manuals and warranty card. Keep this aside, and guys, this is the transparent back case, you can see. Okay, and here's the phone itself. You can see here's the phone itself. We come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So guys, this is the micro USB to USB 2.0 cable. Okay, so this is the micro USB to USB 2.0 cable. Literally disappoint. And this is the charger, and if we talk about its output, it will give you 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere. So it is a fast charger, so this is a good thing. You get the fast charger in the box, but no USB type C port. And okay, now come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover, switch. Okay, so here you can see, so now it is in blue color. The black color is also available, and here you can see it is in purest blue color. Okay, it is a plastic frame, but if I talk about the design and look of this phone is good. If you talk about the design and look of this phone, it is good. And here's the branding of Vivo. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing, and on this side we get the volume rocker and a power on off key with the side mounted fingerprint sensor. And on bottom we get the main speaker. This is the micro USB port, main microphone, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so guys, this is a really good thing. You can say this is the really good thing. We get the triple slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM with a dedicated micro SD card slot. Here you can see you can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And if we talk about the back, it has a triple rear camera setup, 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 2 megapixel with a dual LED flash. And in front it has 8 megapixel front camera. Here you can see it has 8 megapixel front camera in a water drop notch display. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio G80 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.51-inch HD plus IPS LCD screen. It has 128 6GB internal storage variant available, and it comes with dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. It has a triple rear camera setup, 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 8 megapixel f1.8 aperture front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery which supports 18-watt fast charging. And if you talk about the software, it is running on latest Android 11. And for better security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. And you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of Vivo Y20G smartphone. Okay, if we slide from top, we get the notification bar. Here's the helpful quick setting and brightness adjustment feature available. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature available, and we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. Okay, the UI of this phone is smooth. Guys, I would like to inform you the UI of this phone is smooth. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So you can see phone uses 18.39 GB out of 128 GB. So 110 GB is available out of 128 GB, and you can also manage storage, which is a really good feature available in this phone. Okay, and if we go in about phone, so here you can see the device name, the RAM, phone storage, processor, and the ROM version. You can see FunTouch OS 11 Global. And if we talk about the Android version, it is running on latest Android 11. This is a really good thing. It is running on latest Android 11. Okay, go back, and if we talk about the Android security update, it is offered December 1, 2020. Okay, now quickly go back, and guys, here's the CPU real-time data of this processor. You can see this is the real-time data of Helio G80 gaming processor. Okay, now quickly go back and check its camera performance. It has triple rear camera. If we tap here, we get the super macro and bokeh effect, and if we slide here, we get the portrait and pano mode. And here's the video, and if we talk about the video resolution, okay, it records up to full HD. And in more, it has a live photo, slow-mo, time-lapse, pro, and dock mode available. And in front, it has photo size 4:3, full 16:9, and 1:1. Okay, and here's the okay. Here we get the filters, and this is the portrait light effect. And this is the HDR. Just tap to turn it on, off, and this is the flash. Tap to turn it auto on, fill light, and off. Okay, now quickly go back and take a photo and check its camera quality. Wait, put some object. Okay, now take a photo. So guys, this is a photo I've captured with the Vivo Y20G smartphone. You can see, guys, according to, I would like to say the camera quality is good. You can see the camera quality of this phone. Okay, the camera quality of this phone is good. Not very good, not excellent, only good. You can see the camera quality of this phone is only good. Here you can see it is in indoor light condition. Here you can see this is the indoor light condition photo I've captured with the Vivo Y20G smartphone. And here I have shared some photo captured by Vivo Y20G smartphone. And by saying this, you can check the camera quality of this smartphone. What type of camera quality this smartphone provide you. Okay, now quickly check its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance. What type of performance it will give you. Okay, now if we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put the finger and it's unlock. Okay, try it many times in many ways. Okay guys, the side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive. No doubt, you can see the side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive. Here you can see. No doubt, the side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about its face unlock, I'm not seeing, I see, and phone unlock. Try it many times. As you can see, okay guys, both face unlock and side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive. Here you can see. Okay, now phone look at me and unlock it. Here you can see this phone look at me and quickly unlock it. Okay, so the security system of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive. It is really secure. You can see And with security, it has really very fast and responsive, no doubt. So guys, this is the unboxing of Vivo Y20G smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this phone, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.